Coursebox AI is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. And if you're looking for an all-in-one AI software that can transform your workflow, you need to know these 7 crucial things before diving in. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, Coursebox AI is here to revolutionize how you work. The first thing you need to know about Coursebox AI is its ability to streamline and automate course creation. This tool is perfect for educators, trainers, or anyone looking to monetize their knowledge. It uses advanced algorithms to help you build, manage, and deliver courses without the technical hustle. In just a few clicks, you can create high-quality learning materials that look professionally done, even if you don't have design or programming skills. Another powerful feature is Coursebox AI's ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing platforms. Whether you're using WordPress, Teachable, or any other major learning management system, Coursebox AI can connect with them effortlessly. This means you don't have to worry about complicated imports or exports. It keeps everything in sync and makes the transition smooth. What sets Coursebox AI apart from other course building platforms is its data-driven approach. It doesn't just help you build the courses. It provides real-time analytics about how your students are engaging with your content. This feedback loop allows you to tweak your courses, optimize for engagement, and create more impactful learning experiences. It's an incredibly useful feature for anyone serious about teaching or training others. The software's AI-powered recommendation engine is another standout feature. Based on your content and students' learning habits, it suggests personalized course materials, quizzes, and resources. This helps keep learners engaged and ensures they get the most out of the courses you're offering. One of the most impressive aspects of Coursebox AI is its ability to generate passive income through automation. Once your course is set up, the software handles marketing, student enrollment, and even upsells, freeing up your time to focus on growing your business. Imagine setting it up once and having it run on autopilot, generating income for you 24/7. Now, while Coursebox AI has a lot of features to love, it's not perfect. One downside is the learning curve for first-time users. There's a slight adjustment period as you get used to the platform, but once you're comfortable, it's easy to navigate. Fortunately, Coursebox offers plenty of tutorials to guide you through the process. And finally, Coursebox AI is completely scalable. Whether you're running a small course with a handful of students or managing a large-scale online learning platform, Coursebox AI grows with you. It's designed to adapt to your needs, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to scale their education business. So, if you're looking for a powerful AI software that can elevate your course creation process and improve the learning experience for your students, Coursebox AI is definitely worth considering. You can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and Coursebox AI is at the top of the list for course creators. If you want to find more AI software that can help you grow your business, I've included my recommended tools in the description below. Go ahead and give them a try. After all, you deserve the best in AI,